Hello everyone, very good morning and welcome to another video. So today in this video I'm going to give you a small house tour of my house. So guys, this is my house. We live in a scattered settlement here. We don't have many houses around here and we live in harmony with nature. There are lots of trees around, and above my house there are not much houses around. It's all covered with forest. And let's go inside and see what we have and how our house is like. So this is the entrance. We just have a very simple house. This is our kitchen. So we have a tap here, a washing machine. I recently purchased these for my mom because it's really hard during winter because of the cold weather condition and the water is really cold, so it's very difficult to wash clothes by hand. And this is place where we cook. We have a small gas and some utensils here, like we use electricity to cook, but few years ago there was no electricity in this village and it was one of the remotest villages in around like 5 or 6 years before. So but now the government has planned it well and the village is progressing gradually and developmental activities are happening with roads and all coming up. And this is our you can say a sitting area. The floor is made with cow dung because in the village we usually do that because we conduct lots of pujas and all. So when the puja is conducted, it's considered very pure to have your floors made with cow dung, and we usually do all the pujas inside our house most of the time. And we have a small fridge here. Let's see what we have in the fridge. We have, this is fresh butter. We don't have cow, but we buy butter from other people and we keep it. We have cheese. These are local cheese balls made from cow's milk. And a bed here. My parents sleep here. And this is my room. I have my bed here. I sleep here. So this is my towel. If I need to work, I usually use this towel, or sometimes I also have another towel outside. I use that. And I have lots of books here. These are my pastime, and also it helps to gain knowledge. So I usually prefer to read books when I don't have much to do or when I'm free. And we have a treadmill here, a normal simple treadmill, and I exercise here. My mom also uses this treadmill to exercise. I have been encouraging my parents to exercise, and because my dad has diabetics, so I don't want him to suffer later because of overweight, because he likes to eat a lot. So this is the treadmill, guys, and I work out here. I mean, like, I run here for 20 to 30 minutes every morning, and I also do some skipping. And my mom already woke up and she did exercise before me. She ran in the treadmill before me, and now she went outside, so for our work. So guys, this is entrance to the shop. We have a small shop, so we don't have much things here, but just like, you know, some toffees and some biscuits and some necessities. People, there are not much people around here, but still, like, you know, when some people need something, they come here in our shop and they buy things from here. So we have almost all the necessities like oils and then the rice, flour and everything here. And also we don't have much farmland, so we don't grow paddy and all. So like this shop help us to get through the day and earn a livelihood.